Hello folks, and welcome to yet another video on foundation course of for business statistics. In this video basically we are going to go through one of the most easiest or one of the most easy measure of dispersion, that is range. In our introduction video of measure of dispersion, we have seen that there are two types of measure of dispersion. One is absolute measure of dispersion and another is uh, relative measure of dispersion. So range is an absolute measure of dispersion, and its counterpart on the relative side is coefficient of range. Okay, so let us quickly see how do we calculate absolute as well as relative measure of dispersion as far as range is concerned. So as I said, it is one of the easiest easy measure of dispersion. And how do you calculate it? It's just getting the difference between the largest value and the smallest value in a given series, right? So here is an example. We have taken a simple series having prices of gold during a week. The prices are 90k, 90.5k, 90.4k, 91k, 91.2k, 91.5k, and 90.3k. So in this series, first what we identify is what is the largest value. So largest value is 91.5k, and we subtract the smallest value from this largest value, which is, and the smallest value is 90k. So what we get, 91.5k minus 90k is 1.5k, or it's rupees 1500 to be precise. So that is my range. Very simple. And how do I calculate a coefficient of range? I have L minus S plus divided by L plus S. So this is my coefficient of range. Coefficient of range is the relative measure of relative measure of dispersion. So L minus S is nothing but 91.5k minus 90k divided by 91.5k plus 90k. So that is 1.5k, okay, divided by 181.5k. So that gives us approximately 0.0. So this is my coefficient of range, right? If you don't know these two types of measure of dispersion, absolute and relative, I request you to go and see the previous video of introduction of measure of dispersion. With this, we come to end of this video. In next video, we will go through quartile deviation. Okay, till then, thank you and bye.